First of all, real artificial intelligence, where machine can learn and act just as our human do, is a still far distinct dream. Instead, most of the discussion uses the word AI as the synonym for machine learning. AI models such as GPT-3 has access around a lot of information and data all over the world, and it is trained to understand the context and the pattern of the data. It doesn't know what actually goodbye means, but if you say goodbye, it will say goodbye back because it is trained over billions of conversations over other users, and it has understand the pattern that once we say goodbye, it will always say our goodbye back. In other words, AI models are trained in such a powerful way that it can automate our daily life work also. But don't expect it to be creative. As for presentation, let's be honest. Most of the presentation you see, especially in the corporate environment, are lacking the creativity and the thoughtfulness that can truly engage the audience. Now imagine the presentation entirely being made by artificial intelligence. They will become even more boring and more monotonous. There seems to be a new AI presentation tool every month. They promises to make our life easier by using artificial intelligence to make presentation. But here's the catch. The results are often the same. The templates, layout and the design quality are always seen to be in a repetitive manner, and they don't entirely capture the personal message that we want to describe in our presentation. Although I am pretty sure that this tool will evolve themselves over the year, but they will never capture the entire human perspective. As an individual, we possess a deep understanding of our audience need, the message we want to convey, and the emotions connection we aim to establish. These are the qualities that can never be replaced by an algorithm or any artificial tool. This is why in this course, I won't just show you how to create your entire presentation in just one click, but we will using a lot of AI tools to make us a really powerful presentation that can truly engage with our audience. In this course, we will also discuss about the fundamental of a good presentation and how you can entirely streamline your workflow with using AI. Example, we can save a lot of time creating presentation. We can create with a new engaging design and template that no one has ever seen. All of this will be done by using bunch of AI tools.